classification in between variable and constant on the basis of dimensional dimension or dimension formula. In between variable and constant. Number one, dimensional variable. Those variable those variable physical quantity have dimension and also their value change are known as dimensional variable. For example, velocity. Velocity also have dimension formula as well as dimension. It may be velocity may be 10 meter per second, 100 meter per second, etc. It has dimension formula L t minus 1. So, or it has dimension. Here dimension of g m is 1 and t is minus 1. M 1 second minus 1. So those variable, those physical quantity which have dimension and having value which change or variable in nature are known as dimensional variable. Number 2, dimensional constant. Those quantity which have dimensional but their value remain fixed are known as dimensional variable. For example, angle, specific gravity. Those physical quantity which have dimension but their value remain fixed are known as dimensional constant. For example, gravitational constant, for example, Gravitational constant, we know it is represented by capital G. Its value is 6.67 into 10 की power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. This is its formula. So it has a dimension m, l minus 3, t minus 2, or g 9.8 meter per second square. It has also a dimension. So these quantity are known as dimensional constant. Those quantity which have their dimension but their value does not change are known as dimensional constant. Next, dimensional less variable. Those quantity which does not have dimension but their value keep changing are known as dimensional less variable. For example, angle. The dimension of angle is MLT 0, 0. It is dimensionless, but angle may be 30 degree, 40 degree, 90 degree, etc. So its value changes, but it's does not have any dimension, so it is known as dimensionless variable. Last we come dimensionless constant. Dimensionless constant, those quantity which does not have any dimension and their value remain fixed are known as dimensionless constant. Those physical quantity which does not have any dimension also their value remain constant are known as dimensionless variable. Dimensionless constant. Those physical quantity which does not have any dimension but their value is also remain constant are known as dimensionless constant. For example, pi. The value of pi is 3.14 and it doesn't have any unit, and this value is also remains constant.